Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on designing timelines using Wepik. First, let's head to Wepik. On the landing page, you'll find an array of design templates, including a category dedicated to timelines. We're going to take you through a simple step-by-step process that will have you creating professional timelines in no time. Now, you can personalize your timeline. Adjust colors, add events, tweak dates. You have full control to make it your own. With Wepik's intuitive interface, customizing your timeline is straightforward and fun, even if you're new to design. Using timelines can significantly enhance your presentations or project plans, making them easier to understand and more engaging. And with Wepik, creating these timelines is a breeze. And that's it. You've just designed a professional-looking timeline with Wepik in no time. When you're happy with your design, hit the download button. For optimum quality, we suggest downloading your timeline in PDF format. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.